Welcome to the video tutorial on how to use puzzle.org. Puzzle.org is a new puzzle maker that we can use with our classes. Let me show you some of the features. Here, with the new information, we can create labels, create recorder, and fill in the gaps with our students. These are all new applications that we can use with puzzle.org. But one of the options that we might not be so familiar with is the jigsaw puzzle, and we can create that easily. All we have to do is upload an image from our computer, and it instantly creates a jigsaw puzzle. How amazing! All we have to do is press save. The image is saved. Then we can go to publish and seamlessly share it with our students. The link is copied. We can open it in a different tab. And as you can see, our students can start to put the jigsaw puzzle together. Remember to start with the edges, and you too can have a seamless plan to put into a warm-up for your students. Thanks for watching.